So here there was a female who had a crushing chest pain and diaphoresis. Symptoms started 30 minutes ago and pain is radiating to left shoulder. Okay, and basically this thing I can see that this is clearly a myocardial infarction, right? Like diaphoresis, this is a classical myocardial infarction, no doubts about that. And a 70-year female can have a myocardial infarction. That is just a minute. Okay, so what happens in a myocardial infarction? Little bit of tissue, it will stop beating. Just a minute, let me show you through photo. This was what we talked. Stable angina, nitroglycerin, decrease venous area. Okay. Now myocardial infarction, some part of the heart muscle won't be functioning, so there will be the decreasing cardiac output. Basically, that's it. That's it, guys. That's the only thing you should know. Which of the following curves shows decreased cardiac output? This one, option A. So answer option A is the correct answer, which you are right.
Thanks for watching. Please give a thumbs up and subscribe for more.